What is the matter? What is the matter? You cold? You want to sit up, huh? You want to sit up for your close-up? No? You tell all the babies how cute you are? What are your hobbies? Describe the best date. Okay, you don't have to date anyone. You don't have to date nobody.